back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Animal Hospital. Like, I've played this game before many times and I'm the nurse, but my top shift is so bad. So today we're going to play it. And if this vid gets like 2 to 3 likes, then I'll do a part 2. But the part 2 will be with like, what do you say that? The part 2 will be me playing alone. Let's see if somebody joins. Join, guys. Oh yay, 4 people joined. I don't know who they are. I really don't like adding people, random people. I was playing last time Spider game and I uploaded a long form video. And somebody kept sending me, what do you say, those friend requests. And then I just found out they were my followers. They were like one of my followers. I only have one follower. She was my follower. And she's been watching my YouTube channel for a long time. Since it was made, because I have 2 YouTube channels. One is like very old. Oh, coffee. 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 I can give anybody else my coffee. So let's go get the herbs and the eye drops, because that's the first 2 things that the people to uses. Sup, I'm Mike Lin. Mike Lin? Chinese Lin? 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. Wait, 감사합니다 is something else. We don't want to see if there's any unknown. They don't look like a normal. Should I stop them? Get out. Thanks, I will be in room 1. Of course you will be in room 1. Oh, duh. Okay, so let's open. Ow, come fast. Bro, you're so slow. There are stories about this place. There are stories about your bald head. Why don't you have hair? Huh? No hair? Oh my god. Meow, meow, meow. Oh, bleh. You look so ugly. You look so ugly. Now I gotta do a whole checkup for you. Bro, you couldn't even live nice. You just come to the hospital even if you know there are stories about this hospital. Excuse me. Herbs? What does herbs do? It does everything, but to you it will do nothing. To which who is sitting in room 2? Oh my god, bro, you're taking so much time. Wait, what did you say? What did you say, huh? What did you say? What did you say? Ugly. Oh, another guy. Cow, why are you being a doctor? Stay healthy, stay safe. By the way, all my Indian friends, I'm playing this game on 15 August or 16, I don't know. 15, I guess. So happy Independence Day to you all, Pakistani and my Indian friends. I know Pakistan Independence Day was a long time ago, like 1 to 3 days ago. But I still don't care because it's our country and we should respect all countries. So Independence Day to you all. Okay, the doctor is arriving. I'm gonna get money, dream, money. Money's all you need. I need money. Doctor, where's the doctor? I need my money. Give me my salary. You must be the new hire. Yes, talk to me, you girl. Get out. Yes, you're Dr. Harlow, I know that. Reindeer. Sometimes once if things get strange, just keep working. Oh, so if you think that even if you're about to die, we should keep working. Oh, thanks for the shutters. We already shut this on your face. Wait, when you go, just keep here, okay? I want to close the shutters. Close the shutters on your face. Yeah. You didn't give me my money? You, Mr. Sharpman. Okay, guys, let's see who's the best. Who's the best? Yes, I'm the best. Yes, I am the best. Guys, look, I'm gonna click a photo. Nothing came. Okay. Who is this? Hey, bro, this looks like a normal. Why did you close the shutters? They don't look like an alarmy. Let me check the cams. You're not an alarmy. Why do you think everybody's an alarmy like you? Oh, let me drink some coffee. Stop. Sophie, think? You should have Sophie Queen body. It looks so aesthetic finally. You have some hair. Alif, I'm gonna Apple's way. Okay, let's go and fight fast run. Can I buy run fast? Oh, it's so expensive. I'm so broke. My family doesn't know I'm here. Oh, that's an alarm. That's an alarm. Hey, excuse me, get up, no, shuffle. A slime, ew, I'm not seeing that. The person who made them should be clean it. Okay, do you want something? Oh, you look like an alarm to me. Because you look so ugly. I didn't know you should be bald. I thought you were a baddie. Ew. Oh, did you see that, guys? I'm gonna click a photo. Guys, did you look at that? Guys, did you see that? Guys, did you see that? Guys, did you see that? That was Talker. Oh my god. I hope Hannah doesn't come and ask for coffee because, bro, I'm not gonna give him coffee. How long until they come from me? Excuse me, I'm literally in front of you and you're ignoring me. You said you want to, where are you going, huh? You're in fifth? Probably there's something up, right? No? Huh? There's nothing? Do you see a bed match or like those red eyes on the floor? I guess you're a normal dog person. I know. I'm not a normal. Feeling I'm not very. Oh, so you're this? And you will help people. Oh, wow. Aesthetic, no. I'm not saying it's bad, it's very aesthetic. What do you need? You say something, you need bandages and medkit. Oh my god, you people are so... What did you say? What did you say? Batamis. The boy literally hate these people. Now you go into room 2 and there will be something. Bed monster, right? Right? No? Okay. You're not alone. Wait, let me go and check out what she's doing. Action needed. Okay, we're actually doing the action, but you're not letting us do it. Fever, flu, you need medkit, and no, thermal and cough syrup. Where's thermal? Where's thermal? Thermal, and then cough syrup. Money's already. So, what am I doing? Another coffee. Both are going so dumb, she's not even drinking coffee. Throw that in the trash can. Finally, you have some common sense. Room 2? Oh, my favorite patient is in room 2. I mean, just kidding. I can let them drive. Open the door, somebody. Fudge. Open the door. What is fudge? What the fudge is this? Where's... But why did you come to the hospital if you wanted to die? Mental common sense. Let me check. Use the cameras to detect animals. I didn't read it. Use the camera to detect they hate photos. Okay, so if I see an alarm in a photo, then I will close the shutters on the face and tell them to go to hell. Okay, I'll do that. Hi, Dr. Harlow. I'm opening new facilities for you. Thank you. No, chef. What am I singing? Bonnie. Oh, she's just like me. I'm just like her. I have no money, guys. At least I have fire in the shop. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, I am the best. I don't want to waste my money on anything. What is this, Rita? Top secret. Excuse me, show me the top secret. Excuse me. Coffee ready? I don't want her to take my coffee. I mean, hey, you want some coffee? Coffee? No, okay. She said no, guys. Guys, that's an alarm. I swear to God. Oh, yeah. Did you see that, guys? Did you see that? Did you see that? Somebody's in room 4, probably doing something ugly. What do you mean? Ouch! You're not special. Everybody's special. What's your name? What's your name? I can see your name. Run from accountancy. Medicine, medkit, IV drop. Medicine, medkit, IV drop. Medkit. Who kills him? You killed him. There was medicine, medkit, eye drops. I gave him this medkit, and you put it, instead of medicine, you put it herbs, probably. Wait, I want to check the recording if I'm wrong or no. I have other things to do, you know. Yeah, you have other things to do, and go do your things. Go do your things, excuse me. Coffee. Wait, that's an alarm, I guess. Yes, that's an alarm. Eyes are totally wasted. See, you are an alarm. If you're freezing in there, just get out. Excuse me, you're freezing. Here, take some air. Hi, I'm Haruki Kobayashi. You're Japanese! Japanese guy, I like Japanese. I love Chinese, Korean, Japanese. Bro, did my random girl who often... Guys, I'm alone. She left me. Thanks, I will be your roommate. No, I hate roommate. Hello, Kim. He's gonna ask me coffee. Yes, I know you're Barney. You came like 5 cents. Barney. You give me coffee. Welcome, now get out. Okay, bye. Goodbye, Barney. Guys, I'm traumatized. Oh, ew. Jump over that ugly thing. IV drops. Medkit. Medicine. Skateboard. And then what else? Bandages. Where's bandages? Wait. Medicine, antibiotics. medicine. This is fully completed surgery. Yay, I've completed the surgery. Oh, yeah, I completed the surgery. Ew, you're an alarmy, right? Gross. Take some coffee. No service? What kind of petri place is this? That's an alarmy, I swear to God. He was only moving his head like Okay, another Barney came, guys. Hello, friend. Can I get another coffee? Oh my God, is that what you asked again and again? I saw him 2 times last time and he gave me like a suitcase. And then I left the game because my mother was calling me. Oh, I think he's gonna give me yes. Ask me. Can you keep the suitcase safe from me for a while? Yes, I can. Except suitcase. Don't open. I'm gonna open it because last time I couldn't open it. The suitcase feels heavy. You are the best. You know what? I might take till shift 8 or something because I want to. I hope the doctor comes now to give me my salary because, bro, I'm so broke. Can I close the door? I'm scared now. Your safety is important. If it reaches you died. You died? You died. Okay, kids, if you're watching this video, don't mind what I said. I think he's an enemy. No, I don't want to take you. I'm scared, guys. Guys, did you see that? That was so bad. Who is that? Ew, I don't know. Oh, he's Matthew. I think Matthew, whatever. Begin to have... No, I won't treat you. Okay, you hear things? I see things. Get out then. Guys, why do alarms keep coming in? Oh, patient on fire. Oh, I forgot to. Guys, I'm already dying. That's an alarm for sure. See, guys? Clicking photos. Yes, it's unbelievable. Patient on fire? Who is on fire? Oh. Why do I keep putting the shirt? That's an alarm. I swear, guys, that's an alarm. Guys, close. Close. How do you? Why does it keep coming? Guys. Guys, did you see that? see his photo? Bro, I'm gonna leave this game if there's another Analami. What do you call the Analomi and Leomi? Guys, I'm freaking scared. I'm fudging so scared. I hope that's... I'm not gonna... I don't care about any people anymore. Okay, so let's end this game here. So, bye guys. Bye. Now I'm ready to leave it. Bye.